Hello guys, in today's video, I introduce BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers for Mitsubishi Outlander.
Choose a good set of Mitsubishi wheel spacers that can make a big difference in your off-roading performance.
High-quality wheel spacer can offer numerous benefits, including improved handling, enhanced appearance, and the ability to fit larger tires. When selecting wheel spacers, it's important to consider several factors. Opt for wheel spacers made from high-strength, durable aluminum alloy material. This material ensures the spacers are lightweight yet strong enough to withstand the pressures of daily driving. Choosing the right thickness will depend on your vehicle's requirements and the look you are aiming for. Thinner spacers push the wheels out further, offering a more aggressive stance and better cornering performance due to the wider track.
The strength of aluminum alloy 6061 T6 wheel spacers are totally strong enough for daily driving, which features many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.